Hi everyone, my name is Ash Roenick and I am a project manager here at Fay. I'm going to be giving you guys a quick demo of the Zoom Meetings app. And to start, we're actually going to be doing it from two different angles. So the first one's going to be from the Zoom side and the second one's going to be from the Zendesk side. So to start, we're going to go ahead and go to the Zoom Meetings application and then press Start Meeting. Alright, upon opening, you're going to see how the sidebar will open up automatically. And then you're going to notice a few sections. So here you're going to see how there's no tickets related to this meeting. That's because this is a fresh meeting, of course. If this was a meeting with tickets related to it, they would pop in here. And then you'll notice that we can create a new ticket, and then we can also search for users, which we're going to get to each of these in just a moment, starting here. So when we go to create a new ticket, you're going to notice how all of the fields are fairly standard. So we're going to go ahead and just populate them real quick. And then submit it. Alright, upon submitting, you're going to notice the little success message you get. And then from here, it's just a normal ticket. So you're able to submit new internal notes, new public replies, just as you would normally. You're able to open up that ticket within Zendesk. And you'll notice throughout the app, you have the option to open up the current page within Zendesk. So obviously, if you're just on the standard opening homepage, that'll just take you to the homepage within Zendesk. But if you're on a ticket, it'll take you to the ticket itself. And same goes for a user. So from here, you're also able to take a look at the details, which obviously is what we just entered into the ticket, but in case anything needs to change, you are able to make that change here. So if we go back out to the little home page, you're going to notice how now that ticket is linked. And we'll see that same thing if we search for that user. So for test user, and then if we go to them, you'll notice how we have both the linked ticket here that we just created, and then there's all unsolved tickets, which includes that linked ticket right here. If they have any solved tickets, you would find that as well. And then while you're on the user, you also are able to manipulate certain aspects of them, whether it be adding new contact info or adding notes, whatever else you need to do. So yeah, that does cover the Zoom side of things. I'm going to be coming back in the next video for the Zendesk side. Thank you. Hi everyone, so we're back with the Zendesk side of the Zoom Meetings demo, and you're going to want to start by just going to your Zendesk instance, going to a ticket, and then obviously after having downloaded and installing the Zoom Meetings app, you can go ahead and navigate to it within the sidebar. So you're going to have two tabs within the Zoom Meetings app, this ticket and My Meetings tab. The My Meetings tab is relatively simple. It's just going to have a list of your upcoming meetings. That's about it. You can go and join them from here. But regardless, that's all it really does. This Tickets tab is where a lot more of the action takes place. So first, the Schedule for Later button does what it says. It allows you to schedule a meeting for later. So to do that, we're going to want to just enter in the general information, the time, date, subject, and then just one note on the start and end time. The end time will always update to 30 minutes after the start time, so you'll see here. Same thing with the day as well. So if we go to the day, moves as well. But if you want the end time to be longer, or the meeting to be longer, you can shift the end time down without shifting the start time. So you'll see if you want a 2-hour meeting, you can certainly do that. And then in the more options drop down, you'll see a number of other options that you can add as well, but none of them are required. Next, we're just going to want to press next, and then you'll be able to review your meeting details and confirm them before adding them. And then once you press add, you'll notice that it gets added to the ticket body automatically, and you also can press join from here, which will allow you to join the call. So from here, you can go ahead and submit it, and it will share it with your ticket requester, so that they can go ahead and add that call to their calendar if they would like, or they can just join it directly from the ticket. So the other half, though, is inviting is the Invite Now button, which will create a call for right now. So to do that, we're just going to want to press that button, and you'll see how a invite gets pasted directly into the ticket comment body automatically. And so you are able to, again, join the call from right here. You can also add it to your calendar if you'd like. and then also finally you'll be able to share it with your requester. So if we from here though, we want to go and join a call. We're going to want to go back down. We're going to press join on that invite now meeting. Go ahead and open up for the prompt, and you're going to see how Zendesk opens up, and I'm sorry, Zoom opens up, and now we're going to open up the apps. Navigate to the Zoom Meetings app. And here we are, which is exactly where we were for the Zoom side of the demo. So you go ahead and see that linked ticket right here. And then if we navigate to the user, you go ahead and see that right here as well. And then, of course, as well here, because it's unsolved still. So one last thing to note, when you record a meeting on here, as long as it's recorded to the cloud, that recording will be shared as an internal comment on the ticket. Without doing that, you will just see a little summary note of the meeting, which I'm going to show you right now. But if it is recorded, that recording will be shared as an internal note on the ticket. Otherwise, you'll just see this note on the ticket, which again is internal. All right, thank you guys so much.